How to sign in WhatsApp on new device. So hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign in WhatsApp on new device. So to sign in into your WhatsApp on a new device, you have two main options depending on whether you are transferring your account entirely or just linking that new device as a secondary phone. Now to transfer to a new primary phone, what you have to do is on your old phone, open your WhatsApp, then tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then scroll down and then tap on chats. Now go to chat backup and then tap backup now. Once you do that, go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your new phone. Then download the WhatsApp and then open it. Once you open it, tap agree and continue, then enter your phone number and then enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone via SMS. Then tap restore when prompted to recover your chat history and media. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.